Learn Khmer fast, as there. In English in.
Ta miên tế.
Welcome to your Khmer search mission. Hey, you're about to learn one tiny Khmer question that unlocks a surprising number of doors. And possibly toilets, water, and snacks, which honestly are the important doors. Today's super useful phrase is there. In Khmer, that is.
Ta miên tế.
You can use it when you need something, when you are lost, when you are curious, or when your stomach has started making dramatic speeches in public. Your main phrase. Let's meet the star of today's chapter. Say it slowly with me and enjoy sounding wonderfully practical. English, as there. Khmer.
Ta miên tế.
Think of it as a flashlight question. You shine it into the world and ask, hello, does the thing exist? A handy memory trick.
Ta.
Starts the question.
Miên.
Points to existence and.
Tế.
Closes the question. Tiny rhythm drill.
Ta miên. Tế.
Useful real-life examples. Now let's put the phrase to work. These are the kinds of questions real travelers ask before they become thirsty, confused, or extremely uncomfortable. Is there a bank nearby?
Ta miênធនាគារនៅជិតនេះទេ?
Is there any water?
Ta miênទឹកទេ?
Is there a problem?
Ta miênបញ្ហាទេ?
Is there a toilet?
Ta miênបង្គន់ទេ?
Is there a room?
Ta miênបន្ទប់ទេ?
Is there rice?
Ta miênបាយទេ?
Is there ice?
Ta miênទឹកកកទេ?
A silly travel scene. Let's make this memorable with a funny story. The more ridiculous it feels, the better your brain remembers it. Imagine you arrive at a guest house in Cambodia wearing a backpack, a hopeful smile, and the expression of someone who has definitely made poor hydration choices. First, you ask.
Ta miênទឹកទេ?
Then you remember modern civilization and ask for internet in your heart, but out loud you bravely stick to today's pattern.
Ta miênបន្ទប់ទេ?
2 minutes later, your body suddenly becomes very interested in plumbing, so you ask.
Ta miênបង្គន់ទេ?
Congratulations, you are now surviving with grammar. Mini dialogue. Listen to this short exchange and picture yourself saying it calmly, even if inside you are chaos. Traveler. Excuse me, is there a bank nearby? Traveler in Khmer.
Ta miênធនាគារនៅជិតនេះទេ?
Shopkeeper. Yes, over there. Traveler. Thank you, and while I am asking everything today, is there water? Traveler in Khmer.
Ta miênទឹកទេ?
Shopkeeper. Yes. Traveler. Wonderful. Is there a problem if I ask one more question? Traveler in Khmer.
Ta miênបញ្ហាទេ?
Shopkeeper. No problem, only many questions. Narrator voice in your head. A language learner has two powers, courage and repetition. Memory tricks that actually stick. Let's glue this phrase into your brain with a few playful images. No actual glue needed. That would be a problem, and yes, you could ask about that too. Picture yourself in a market looking around and asking.
Ta miên tế?
With both hands open as if searching for treasure. Use the sound memory TMT.
Ta.
Plus.
Miên.
Plus.
Tế.
Imagine a fridge answering your question with cold silence after you ask.
Ta miên tế?
Very rude fridge. Very memorable phrase. Think of.
Miên.
As existence, not English, mean. Khmer is not insulting you. It is helping you find things. Quick build practice. Now you try building the question pattern. Keep it simple. Question marker, thing, ending. You've got this. Pattern.
Ta miên tế?
Ask. Is there water?
Ta miênទឹកទេ?
Ask. Is there a room?
Ta miênបន្ទប់ទេ?
Ask. Is there rice?
Ta miênបាយទេ?
Ask. Is there ice?
Ta miênទឹកកកទេ?
Ask. Is there a short way?
Ta miênផ្លូវខ្លីទេ?
Quiz time, brave explorer. Time for a tiny quiz. No pressure. If you miss one, just pretend it was a dramatic pause for artistic reasons. How do you say, is there, in Khmer?
Ta miên tế.
What does
Ta miên tế.
mean in English? Is there. Translate. Is there water?
Ta miên thực tế.
Translate. Is there a room?
Ta miên bần tục tế.
Bonus smile question. If you ask a spaceship AI for oxygen, you can say.
Ta miên oxygen tế.
A tiny culture note. Language becomes powerful when you can imagine using it in a real place. So let's place your new phrase in Cambodia. Picture yourself asking for street food, a tuk-tuk, water, or directions in Cambodia. This little pattern
Ta miên tế.
is practical, polite, and wonderfully flexible. At a restaurant you might ask.
Ta miên bài tế.
At a hot stop on the road, you might ask.
Ta miên thực cọ tế.
It's the kind of phrase that makes you sound engaged, capable, and less likely to wander in circles. Friendly conclusion. You did it. One small phrase, many useful situations, and hopefully at least one laugh. Today you learned, is there, which in Khmer is.
Ta miên tế.
Keep practicing with real nouns around you: water, bank, room, toilet, rice, problem. Thank you for learning with me, and keep going. You're building real Khmer one useful question at a time. Practice it out loud today, and next time your brain panics, your mouth might calmly say.
Ta miên tế.